Good morning.
Good morning.
Our question is construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 30 degree, angle Z is equal to 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeter. In this, we have given two angles measure and we have given the perimeter of a triangle. We have to construct the triangle. First of all, we have to draw here a line segment of 11 centimeter. XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeter. We have to first of all draw it here.
Draw line segment of 11 centimeter. Line segment PQ.
Okay, we will name it PQ. Now we have to draw an angle of 30 degree here. For that we have to first draw a angle of 60 degree and then bisect it to the angle of 30 degree. It's an angle of 60 degrees. Now we have to bisect it for doing it a 30 degree angle. For it we have to take some more length and draw here one arc and then here one. And from these 2 points we have to draw here one arc and then from here intersect it.
And let the ray form PX. PA.
Now it's our 30 degree angle. Now we have to again bisect it and form a 15 degree angle, that is and from now two lines intersecting. It is 15 degree. At this point Q, we have to form a 90 degree angle, then also bisect it into 45 degree angle. So how we do 90 degree angle? First of all, we have to do here a half circle like that. Extend this line here. From this point we have to do here one arc intersecting that line, and from this point we have to do here one arc. Taking the reference of these 2 points, we have to take this arc here and this here and intersect them. It is our 90 degree angle. Now for bisecting it, we have to do one arc here, taking the reference of these arcs. We have to take this here and this here intersect. That's our 45 degree angle. We form. Now we have to extend it. And this 15 degree. Now we have to take the perpendicular of this line P, name this point O,
X.
name this point X, and we have to draw a perpendicular of this line, perpendicular bisector from this point now, and same here. Now join these 2 points. Now like this we have to also take the perpendicular bisector of this line segment Q and X. Same here in this side. Okay.
Let this point where the bisector angle perpendicular bisector at this point is M, and let's say this point and the perpendicular bisector meets the QX at N.
We have to draw a line segment joining the points X and this point here Y.
Point where the perpendicular bisector of QX meet at PQ, this name is XZ, and the point where the perpendicular bisector of PX meet at PQ named as Y. Then join X and Y.
Joining XY we get the figure,
We get the triangle XYZ.
and this point will be equal to 30 degree angle. This will equal to 90 degree, and the sum of these 3 sides will equal to 11 cm. This is because this 30 degree angle, first of all we have to prove that this triangle and this triangle, say this
Triangle
triangle
PMY and triangle XMY are congruent using.
congruent.
We can prove that using angle side angle side property SS congruence rule. Here side PM
and then MX are same
Are
because
bisect-
of their common,
perpendicular bisect,
and then this
and perpendicular they are because PM and MX are equal because they are perpendicular bisected from a ray, and here angle 90 degrees com, and MY are common in both the triangles. Therefore triangle PMY and triangle XMY will be congruent. So using CPCT we get PY is equals to XY. So if the triangle PXY will be in an isosceles triangle, so angle XPY and angle YXP will be equal. That is, this angle will be also 15 and this angle will also 15. So using exterior angle property, we can prove that angle X, Y, Z will be of 30 degree. Because using exterior angle property, the sum of an exterior angle is equals to the sum of exterior angle is equals to the sum of two interior angles. That is 15 plus 15 is equals to 30.
Same like that we can prove here,
Yes.
and we can prove that this triangle is of 90 degree, 45 degree plus here also 45 degree. 45 plus 45 will become 90 degree. And like that, here py is equal to yx, and here x z is equal to zq. That is zq is equal to py, it is 11 centimeter. Therefore, yq and yx and xz is and zy is equal to 11 centimeter. The perimeter of it will be 11 centimeter.
वेरी गुड अभी तालियां मारो ओके